Hi everyone! Thank you for joining me on another episode of Jimmy's Alpine Clock Shop. Today I'd like to show you a couple of granddaughter clocks. Now the clock in front of me with the chime rods needs a little bit of work. So if you hear the hammers hitting the chime rods, you can see that they're a little bit off. You can actually see that one hammer is bent backwards. The chime rods are in quite a bit of disrepair. So if we can't clean these up, we might have to buy another set. It's called a chime block. The pendulum, which goes right back here, is missing. Now this is a chiming clock, and we know that if you haven't seen our other videos, because it has 3 keyholes in the front. It has beautiful long metal hands with a heart-shaped hour hand. This clock was built between 1920 and 1930. Beautiful oak case. Nice finish. They stand at about 3.5 feet tall. That's why they're called a granddaughter clock. One other thing I want to show you right here, that is the chime and silent lever. So if you have somebody at your home that would prefer to have the chimes off at night, you can also put it on silent. So it will keep the time, but it will not chime. And then in the morning, you could just put it back to the chime mode. Now, the one over here I want to show you, this is also a granddaughter clock. Quite beautiful as well. Now, the difference between this one and the one I just showed you is this one has a time and strike option only. So same gorgeous hands, but instead of 3 keyholes, you see 2. So I'm going to go to the back of the clock, and instead of chime rods, it has a gong. So you would hear the hammer would hit down right here, like that, on the hour until you would count the hour is, and then once on the half. Now again, both of these clocks do need to be serviced or repaired before we send them home. Again, they are from the 1920s, 1930s era, so they are quite old. So you'd expect something that old to need a little bit of work. But once you have them in wonderful working condition, you just service them every few years. And if you do that, just like a car, then you're keeping your clock in wonderful working condition. Aren't these gorgeous? So I wanted to show you what a granddaughter clock is. So the difference between a granddaughter clock, a grandfather clock, and a grandmother clock is strictly size. Look at these handsome. These are from Smith's Enfield, made in England, again between the 1920s and 1930s. So if you're in the Riverside area, come on by. Thank you for all your support, liking and subscribing, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.